Alrighty guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christy Lani and today I'll be doing a review on this new wax beads that I have from Tress Wellness. It's called Bikini Star Hard Wax. No strip required. And this bag is a 1.2 pound bag. And so this one, it's saying that it's good for Brazilian wax because that's where you have the most coarse hair on your body. And you know, some men have coarse hair on their legs, so yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out. This is a pretty decent sized bag. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead right now and then warm up the wax. Okay, so I'm gonna just turn on my pot. I'm just gonna put it all the way to the highest because I'm gonna watch it. And you want it to just melt down. Once it starts to melt, you can turn down the heat. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let that melt. So I did get 2 bags. And you know what's good about this? It comes with some wax sticks. And these are really nice wax sticks. And then for this part here, it goes, hold on, let me take this out. This is to protect your sides from wax. There you go. And then we're gonna go ahead and let that melt and be right back. So I'm checking it one more time. I had to put more inside because it was only like half of the pot. Alrighty guys, so the wax is ready. I'm going to start waxing for my lower arm. And right now I'm just doing the pre-wax. Just making sure that your skin is clean from any oils, makeup, or whatever. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'll be holding my arm out and going down with the wax. To take off the wax, I'll be pulling the opposite way. So this is an easy way to wax your lower arm at home. So I just keep turning the stick so the wax doesn't fall off. And then I'm going to go and do it by little sections till I go all the way around. Then always pull the opposite way as to how you apply the wax. In order to get this side, I'm going to lift my arm up. For this part, I'm going to start by my elbow and then go up to the wrist. And again, we're pulling the opposite way of how we apply the wax. Do one more here. So now we have just finished waxing my whole lower arm, and it feels so soft after. I love it when I just wax my skin. It feels so soft. Now I'm using the post wax spray, so I'm just gonna spray that on my arm and wipe it, and then I'm done waxing. Alrighty guys, thanks for joining me today. I just did an unboxing of my wax beads this is the wax, and they do sell it on Amazon. I also have you can download their app, and it does have like, you can shop from their app actually, and it goes to Amazon. And I'll put it in here while I'm talking. It's a one-stop shop where you can go on, download their app, and then it does have some tutorials of waxing on there. It's a really great app, so go ahead and download that app. It's really good. You can also shop on it too, so that's very good. You can just go to one area and then watch the videos and order at the same time. And if you have any questions in there, it's a lot of information in there as well. But for now, loving the wax. You don't really have to use a lot. Even thin strips, you can pull it off, so I like that. And it doesn't break or crack, so that's another good thing too. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I love when I just finished waxing, my arm feels so soft. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.